Looking to elevate your car maintenance game? Get ready to discover the ultimate game changers in the world of automotive tools. In today's video, we're diving into the top electric hydraulic jacks that will revolutionize the way you lift your vehicle. From speed demons to heavy lifters, we've got it all covered. Click those links in the description box to find your perfect powerhouse. And now, let's dive in. E-HEELP 02 Hydraulic Jack. Unleash the power with the E-HEELP 02 Electric Hydraulic Jack. This robust jack can lift vehicles up to 5 tons in under 2 minutes to a maximum height of 17.7 inches. It's your all-in-one solution for effortless tire changes. Equipped with car battery options, along with a tire inflator and pressure display, it's a game-changer for DIY tire replacement. The included portable impact wrench speeds up the process. With LED lights for nighttime repairs and an overload protection system, it's a safety-first tool that covers all your needs. Rogtz Electric Hydraulic Jack. Experience ultimate convenience with the Rogtz Electric Hydraulic Jack. It's a 4-in-1 solution that includes an electric car jack, air pump, warning light, and major LED light. In just 2 minutes, it can lift a vehicle under 5 tons to a max height of 17.7 inches, and the built-in inflator can quickly pump up tires. The electric impact wrench enables a swift tire change within 5 minutes. With safety features like self-locking and bright LED lights, it's perfect for nighttime repairs. Plus, the durable carrying case and the red triangle warning sign make it a comprehensive and safe tool. ABN Electric Hydraulic Jack. For roadside emergencies, rely on the ABN 3-ton electric hydraulic jack. This versatile jack comes with a bright LED light, making it a perfect solution anytime, anywhere. It can lift up to 3 tons with a lift range from 6 to 17.5 inches. You can conveniently plug it into a 12V power outlet with an 11.5-foot cord. It's easy to operate with 2 simple switches, and it's built with a safety device to prevent accidents. Compact and reliable, it's a handy tool for unexpected tire issues. Feanisifei Electric Hydraulic Jack. Get the job done in 2 minutes with the Feanisifei Electric Hydraulic Jack. Capable of lifting vehicles under 5 tons within minutes, this versatile tool doubles as a 150 psi air pump, making tire replacements a breeze. It includes a powerful electric wrench for quick tire changes and features enhanced safety measures. The bright LED light ensures safe nighttime repairs, while 2 power options give you flexibility. The durable case stores all the tools efficiently, and a red reflector triangle adds to your safety. It's a reliable and efficient solution for tire changes anytime, anywhere. Standtall Electric Hydraulic Jack. When you need power and speed, trust the Standtall Electric Hydraulic Jack. With a capacity of 5 tons, this hydraulic jack can effortlessly lift your vehicle to a height of 17.7 inches in under 2 minutes. An electric wrench allows you to change a tire within 5 minutes. Safety is a priority, with auto-stop features and a red triangle warning sign for emergencies. The built-in LED light ensures you can work even in the darkest of nights. This fully equipped kit is versatile and multi-applied, making it suitable for your home garage, road trips, and more. That's a wrap on our electric hydraulic jack roundup. Elevate your auto adventures with these top picks. Stay tuned for more automotive excellence.